slight dip in your PCM percentage. What's the reason for that? Now tell me, how did you prepare for this interview? Tell me something about your family background. How much does your father earn a month? What is his average income?
So how can you identify the medium? If that medium is denser and another medium is there, how can you identify which one is denser and which one is low on the basis of this parameter?
Please come in. Please have a seat.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. What's your name?
Sir, my name is Gyan Jaiswal.
Okay, I hope you're okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me something about yourself.
Good morning, sir. My name is Gyan Jaiswal. I am 18 years old. I was born and brought up in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Mumbai is known as financial capital of India. It is also known for its Bollywood hub. Coming to my academics, I scored 81% in class 10 from OLP's high school, which is affiliated to Maharashtra State Board. And in my class 12th, I scored 81% and PCM I scored 74%. Currently, I have given
74 in PCM?
74 in PCM, sir. Currently, I have given my IMUCET exam and my rank is 6229.
So there is a slight dip in your PCM percentage. What's the reason for that?
Sir, I totally take accountability of my dip in that marks. Because sir, in my class 12th, I started engaging in outdoor games like cricket and football many times, due to which I have gone to practices, and due to which it has eventually affected my studies little bit. But although I managed to score somehow, and my physics percentage is very less due to that. It is only 67%.
So what did you do to compensate that loss?
In order to compensate it, I have maintained a balance. Now I have maintained a balance. I know how to manage my work along with my outdoor activities now.
Okay. Please continue your introduction from the point where you left.
Yes. I like to play outdoor games like cricket and football. I also like to read books. By taking part in outdoor games like cricket and football, it has eventually boosted my collaboration proficiency, which will help me on board to cope up with my multinational crew members. Also, at initial stage, my communication skill was not so good, due to which I have worked very hard to improve it. Like I started to talk in front of mirror. I also started communicating with my friends and family members in English, which has made me a hardworking person, which will help me on board to work without looking at the clock. Also, I every day try to inculcate new habits in me. Like nowadays, I try to do meditation for 10 minutes, which will help me to become calm and composed at unfavorable times on board. Because on ship we face many challenges like unfavorable weather conditions. Also, there is less medical assistance on board ship. And I firmly believe that these habits will help me to get a best merchant navy officer in merchant navy.
What's your IMUCET rank?
6229.
6229.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, how did you prepare for this interview?
As per my understanding, there are two domains of an interview. First one is technical and another one is non-technical. For technical part, I have completely utilized my notebooks, my textbooks of class 12th NCRT. And for non-technical part, I have taken help of my elder members. I have taken help from my sister because she know more than me. She taught me about various communication skill like sitting posture, vocabulary, and she also guided me how to give interview in front of anyone. Also, with respect to a non-technical part, I have also worked on my soft skills. These are the things.
Tell me something about your family background.
I live in a nuclear family with my father and my elder sister. My father is a real estate broker and my sister is currently pursuing a degree in psychology. My father's name is Sandeep Jaiswal and my mother's name is late Trupti Jaiswal.
Okay, why do you want to join Merchant Navy?
As soon as I got to know about Merchant Navy from my maternal uncle, since he has lot of friends in Merchant Navy, he told me all the pros and cons of Merchant Navy. After hearing from him, I started researching about it on various social media platforms like Google, YouTube, and during my research, I got to know how important Merchant Navy is because about 90% of the world trade is carried out by waterways. This shows how important it is. Also during lockdown, every business was down, but Merchant Navy was still working at full phase. Also coming from a financially weaker section, it's my responsibility to get financially independent and support my father at an early age. Because since he is a small scale real estate broker, I have seen him struggling, going from up and down. So I don't want to burden him too much and I want to take the responsibility from his shoulders. I also want to look after my sister also. And it's my dream to wear the epaulets on my shoulder and become a responsible merchant navy officer.
Okay, how much does your father earn a month? What is his average income?
Its income per month it will be, sir, 30,
20,000. Okay, okay. So the primary reason for joining Merchant Navy is
uh, financially become independent, sir, at an early age. That's my dream.
okay. Tell me something about your strengths and weaknesses.
So my strength is that I am extremely hardworking because I have worked very hard to improve my communication skill, which has eventually made me a hardworking person. Also, I have improved my communication skill, which will help me on board to cope up with my multinational crew members. And coming to my weakness, I think one area of working is that sometimes, in order to say the truth, I become blunt, because of which I have lose many relation with many members because I
Because
have
of
because of being blunt in order to say the truth. This is my weakness.
so, but I think when you are blunt or straightforward, it means you are being honest, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
that should be considered as a quality, not as a weakness. So why do you consider it as an area of improvement?
Sir, along with being truth, we have to be diplomatic also. We cannot be blunt and say anything to anyone. There should be a way to tell. We should be diplomatic and we should.
So tell me one instance when, because of you being blunt, things went wrong.
Sir, one day I had my board exams and my friend's birthday was there. So he told me to spend time with him. But due to my board exam, I told him that I won't be able to come. And then also he started forcing me that let's go, let's have fun. But I told him no, I want to study. And due to which fight took place between us. Though I told him I have my board exam, then also he wasn't understanding, and due to which fight took place between us.
So what kind of relationship you share with the friend? I mean, somebody who is stopping you from studying, do you consider such kind of people as your friends, or what do you think?
No, sir, I don't consider them as my close friends because, sir, my friends will understand the importance of studies as compared to their fun activities.
Okay. Now tell me, why should we select you? I can see that there is some nervousness on your face, and the other candidates that we have interviewed so far, I found them to be better than you are. So why should we select you?
Sir, you may consider me because I possess set of skills which are very essential in merchant navy. Since I participated in outdoor games like cricket and football at inter-school level, I have gained mental and physical endurance which are very essential on board ship. Also, in my free time, I like to do workout. Like I like to go to gym, which will make me, which will help me to follow it also on my ship. Because there is less medical assistance on board ship, which will make me vigilant about my health. And due to this habit, I will be medically fit on board ship. Also, I am very responsible, sir, because at an early age I lost my mother, due to which I know it very closely how to live without our close one, which will make me to not feel homesickness on board ship, which will make me to help work on board ships. Due to these all qualities, you may hire me.
Why do you want to join Anglo-Eastern?
Anglo-Eastern was founded in 1974 and its CEO is Bijon Hogard, and it is one of the best shipping companies, management companies, because it has numerous vessels. It has more than 650 plus vessels. It has one of the best employee treatment. Also, the cadets which are gone in Anglo-Eastern experience the best training facility. It has one of the renowned faculties and all. It gives hands-on experience to its cadet because it has one of the best simulators. It has best infrastructure. Also, it is one of the top company in merchant navy. Also, my maternal uncle friends are there also in merchant navy. They share their experience. Also, the stipend is also very good in Anglo-Eastern compared to other companies and employee treatment.
When was the first time you came to know about Merchant Navy?
So in 9th standard, I got to know about it from my maternal uncle.
What was the source?
Source, my maternal uncle.
So why did you not mention that during your why Merchant Navy answer?
Sir, I told you, I got to know about merchant navy from my maternal uncle.
Okay, you did. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So one last question before we move on to the technical segment.
Yes, sir.
Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
In next 5 years, I see myself at a position where I'm attaining professional as well as personal development. At rank wise, I see myself as a third officer, and at a position I'm earning self-respect for me and for my family by getting into merchant navy. And I see myself as a third officer, sir, in next 5 years. That's it.
What's the capital city of Spain?
Capital of Spain, Madrid.
Okay. Norway?
Oslo.
Germany?
Germany, Berlin.
Peru?
Peru, Lima.
Venezuela?
Caracas.
What's the major sea route from from Mumbai to London?
Major sea route from Mumbai to London. From Mumbai port, we will move to Gulf of Aden. Gulf of Aden, we move to Red Sea, Suez Canal, Mediterranean Sea, Strait of Gibraltar, North Atlantic Ocean, then London. Port of London.
Can you repeat the last 2 points of itineraries? Say it again.
From Suez Canal, Mediterranean Sea, Strait of Gibraltar, North Atlantic Ocean, then London. Port of London.
Is there a specific river through that we have to cross before reaching London?
Sir, I am unable to recall it right now. After the interview, I will go and learn it.
What is the busiest sea route in the world?
North Atlantic Sea Route.
And it connects?
North Atlantic Sea Route.
Which 2 continents are connected by the route?
Asia and Europe.
Not sure. Okay. If Suez Canal is blocked, which alternative route is used?
Okay, Gyan.
Yes, sir.
Just tell me 2 to 3 observation inside the room which relates to physics.
First one is a reflection of light,
Okay.
and another one is because of inertia we are able to sit on a chair.
Okay, very good. And okay, so let's start with optics, right?
Yes, sir.
Because you said that reflection of light. Just
Yes,
tell me
sir.
something about its reflection of light.
Whenever a light is incident on a smooth surface, it gets bounced back. This is known as reflection of light.
Okay. And laws of reflection.
Laws of reflection states that the angle of reflection and the normal at the point of interference of true transparent media and the reflected ray all lie in the same plane, and angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection.
Okay. After reflection, the intensity of light change or not? After reflection.
After reflection, intensity of light.
Yes.
No, sir, it remains the same.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is total internal reflection?
Total internal reflection is the phenomena when light is incident on a surface, it gets bounced back into the same medium
Okay.
through a transparent interface, and here the light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, and the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle.
Okay. An example of total internal reflection.
We can observe it in optical fiber.
And okay. And next.
Optical fiber. Mirage is also an example.
Mirror.
Mirage.
Mirage. Okay. Can you say something about it? What is mirage?
Mirage is an optical phenomena which is observed in hot climate. In mirage, we tend to see objects which are far away, nearer to us. Apparently, they are not nearer to us. This occurs because light travels from different densities of air, different layers of air of different densities and temperature.
Okay. In your definition, you said that light travel from denser medium to rarer medium, right?
Yes, sir.
So how can you identify the medium? That medium is denser and another medium is rare. How can you identify it? Which one is denser and which one is rare? On the basis of which parameter?
Light should bend towards the normal on reflection.
Yes.
Is
Suppose
it denser to rare?
we have two medium, one is
Yes.
denser and another is rare.
Yes.
Then what is the criteria? Okay. Do you know about the refractive index?
Yes, sir. It is the ratio of velocity of light in vacuum to the velocity of light in medium.
Okay. So which one is more denser? Having more refractive index or less refractive index?
More refractive index.
Okay. Okay. Why sky appears blue?
When sunlight enters the Earth's atmosphere, it hits the particle present in the Earth's atmosphere. These particles absorb and emit the light in different directions. And due to Rayleigh's scattering law, we know that intensity of light is inversely proportional to the fourth power of the wavelength. Due to this light having the least wavelength scatters the most. And in this case, blue light has least wavelength. Due to this, it scatters the most in the sky.
Okay. What is the refraction of light?
Refraction is the phenomena in which light is incident on a surface and it gets bends This is the
Only
phenomenon.
this is the refraction.
The refraction.
Okay. Is Snell's law?
Snell's law states that the ratio of sine of the angle of incidence and sine of the angle of refraction is a constant.
Is a constant.
Yes.
Okay. Just tell me the full form of sonar.
Sound, navigation and ranging.
Sound, navigation and
Sound, navigation and ranging.
Oh, can you explain it? What is sonar?
Sound navigation and ranging is a technique which is used on ships to determine the depth or depth of the underwater objects. It uses ultrasonic sound waves which hit the particle present inside the water, and these waves are then reflected back to the ship. Due to this, we get to know the depth and the underwater object.
Okay. Okay. What do you mean by kinetic energy?
It is the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its velocity.
By virtue of its?
Velocity.
Okay. If a body have momentum without energy, can this possible or not? Body have momentum without energy. Is this possible or not?
So K is equal to half P square by M. So it is not possible.
It is not possible. And the body have energy without momentum. Is this possible? Body have energy without momentum. Is this possible?
Yes, sir.
Just tell me one example. Okay. Suppose you have momentum at this time or not? You. Momentum
No, sir.
and energy.
No, sir, because velocity is 0.
Velocity 0. So you have no energy.
No energy, right?
Potential energy.
Potential energy is there.
So that's my question. If a body have energy, can have momentum?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the formula of potential energy?
It's mgh.
What is the h?
H is height.
From
of
the-
Earth.
Height from the center of Earth, surface of Earth,
Surface of
building,
Earth.
from the building, surface of.
Surface of Earth.
Okay.
Of the building.
Define fluids.
Fluids are the substances which have tendency to flow.
Okay. An example.
Example of fluid can be gas and liquid.
Okay. Very good. So what do you mean by atmospheric pressure?
Our Earth is enclosed by a small sphere, and the pressure exerted by this sphere is known as atmospheric pressure. It occurs due to gases exerts pressure on the atmosphere
How can measure the atmospheric pressure?
by barometers.
Okay. What is the value of this?
P naught is equal to 1.013 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal.
10 to the power
5.
5 Pascal. Bernoulli theorem.
Bernoulli theorem states that for a non-viscous incompressible streamlined fluid, the total energy, that is the potential energy per unit mass, kinetic energy per unit mass, pressure energy per unit mass, remains constant provided there is no source or sink throughout the length of the pipe.
Okay. Is there any application of this theorem?
Bernoulli theorem can be observed in flying of an airplane. During the flying of an airplane, due to specific shape of its wing, the pressure on the upper side of the air is more as compared to the lower side due to velocity. Velocity of the wind is more at the upper side and velocity is less at the lower side. Due to this pressure difference is created. Due to this pressure difference, an upward force called the dynamic lift is created, due to which, and if the dynamic lift is greater than the weight of the airplane, then it rises up.
Okay. Define Archimedes principle.
Archimedes principle states that whenever a body is partially or fully submerged in a fluid, it experiences an upward force which is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the submerged part of the body.
Displaced by the.
Submerged part of the body.
Okay. What is the formula of buoyant force?
F is equal to rho Vg.
What is V?
V is volume.
What volume?
Volume of the sphere. Which
Volume
is
of the sphere.
sphere.
Only the
1.3
this
pi.
principle only valid for sphere and any other bodies.
Any body it is.
So why you said that volume of the sphere?
So any body, it is applicable for any body.
Any bodies, no?
Any body, yes.
Okay. What do you mean by apparent weight?
Apparent weight. It is equal to the buoyant force, sir. Same as the buoyant force, apparent weight.
Okay. Just tell me the formula of specific gravity.
Specific gravity, it is the ratio of the density of a substance to density of water at 4 degrees Celsius. It is unitless.
It is.
Unitless.
Okay. So why we use it? What is the main role of this physical quantity?
To determine the density of a substance in water.
To determine the.
Density of a substance inside water.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Newton's second law of motion with example.
Newton's second law of motion states that the force acting on a body is directly proportional to the rate of change of its linear momentum. And its example is whenever a cricketer catches a ball, he lowers his hand in order to reduce the time. Due to this, the impact on his hand reduces so that he doesn't get hurt.
Okay. The dust particle in a carpet falls off when beaten with a stick.
Yes.
Why?
This is because of inertia, inertia of rest. Due to inertia of rest, the particles were in the state of rest when they were not hit, and as soon as you started hitting them, they come in motion due to inertia of rest.
Okay. What is the difference between alternating current and direct current?
Alternating current changes its direction periodically, whereas direct current does not change its direction periodically. Alternating current value is fixed from 50 to 60 Hz. Direct current value is not at all fixed, and the electrons in alternating current change their direction periodically, whereas electrons in direct current doesn't change their direction. And alternating current can be transmitted over larger distances, whereas direct current can be transmitted over shorter distances.
Okay. In both of AC and DC, suppose a body we have provide 440 volt of AC current and another body also provide 440 volt of DC current. So which one is more dangerous, AC shock or DC shock?
AC shock.
Why?
Because electrons change in their direction, so they conduct more charge.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's start with mass section.
Max.
And what is the formula of area of circle
Pi r square.
in the form of diameter? Just tell me the area of circle in form of diameter.
Pi d square by 4.
Heron's formula for triangle?
S is semi-perimeter. S is equal, area is equal to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C.
Okay, circumference of circle?
2 pi r.
Area of sector?
Area of sector theta by 360 into 2 pi r.
Into 2 pi r. Sure. I am talking about the area of sector.
Theta by 360 into pi r square.
Into pi r square.
Yes, sir.
Okay, volume of cylinder?
Pi r square h.
What is h?
H is height.
Volume of core,
1 upon 3 pi r square h.
what is H?
H is slant height.
Sure.
No, it is also height, sir. Slant height is L.
Volume of hemisphere,
2 by 3 pi r cube.
2 by 3.
Pi r cube.
Okay, again, if suppose we have to find the volume of this room, then how?
So this room is a cuboid.
Okay, then
So its volume will be LBH.
what is L, what is B, what is H?
L will be length, B will be breadth, and H will be height, sir.
H will be?
Height taken from bottom.
Okay, 1 minus cos square theta is equal to?
1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Sin 90 plus theta,
Sin 90 plus theta is cos theta.
sin 90 minus theta,
It is also cos theta.
sin minus theta,
Sin minus sin theta.
cos minus theta,
Cos theta.
cos theta. Okay, last question from the math section.
Yes, sir.
Okay, limit x tends to 0, sin x upon x,
It will be 1.
1. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Limit x tends to 0, tan x upon x,
It will also be 1.
1. What is the difference between molality and molarity?
Molarity is the number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in dm cube or liter. Molality is the number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kg.
Okay, which one is temperature dependent?
Temperature dependent.
Yes.
Temperature dependent is molarity because it depends on volume, and as we increase the temperature, volume increases.
Okay, just give me the general formula of alkene and alkyne.
General formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. Alkene is CnH2n. Alkyne is CnH2n minus 2.
Okay, out of these, which one is saturated and which one is unsaturated?
Saturated is alkane, unsaturated is alkene and alkyne.
Okay, formula of methane.
CH4.
Okay, so your technical round is over.
So, okay, Gyan, as your interview is over now, so how much would you rate your interview on a scale of 0 to 10?
Sir, I would rate 7 because I could have performed better.
Great. So, we'll discuss the feedback later.
Yes.
And you can also see the feedback through the GMDI app in your phone. That we will discuss later.
Yes.
Okay. Have a lovely day ahead.